Just whipping up some 20-year YouTube posters over here at the shop. You know we do everything in-house 100%. Yep, I'm even signing these things and numbering them. So whatever number you get, that's your number right there. They're one of a kind, each one of them is. But just want to let you know, this stuff was not made in a faraway land and then sold to you. We're making everything in-house 100%. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but these things right here, we're making them all in-house. We got these stainless steel keychains that come with it. SMB 20-year edition. I'm cutting them on the fiber laser myself. You can see I made a whole bunch of them. Got the nesting down real nice. Look at that slow motion. This thing just pops. Yep. That Laguna fiber laser for the win right there, I'll tell you what. But yeah, this is legit. 18 gauge stainless steel. All day long. But even though this is brushed, number 14, stainless already, I like to give it one more little polish before I decide to send them out, just in case, because the back side of them isn't protected, only the top side with plastic. So even though the top looks pretty good, we're gonna put it in here and do both the top and the bottom just to make sure that it's all uniform. It's all looking good. Little metal sander. Oh boy, and out it comes, just super nice. Got a nice grain on it. Beautiful. And yeah, I tab these things out so they stay in their spot and they don't move until I'm ready for them to move. So they stay in this little frame, and then when I'm all done sanding them and cleaning them, boom, they just pop right on out of here just like that. Yep, took me a little while to get that set up, but it's so worth it. Look at this, they're just popping right out of their little metal holder here. Yep, badass. Look how nice those are. Laser cut stainless steel, 20-year edition YouTube. And of course, can't forget the little key ring part. And yeah, poster and a key ring. Get yours. Signed, numbered. Appreciate it. 20 years. Yeah.